human inventions
let
of
A whole power n minus 1 whole power r. Adjoint of A inverse. Adjoint of A whole inverse. Come on, write all of them. I'm waiting. Somebody mute your mic. And what was the important one?
Adjoint of
It
A
took
transpose is equal to
Adjoint of
adjoint A
AB.
whole transpose.
adjoint of AB is equal to
Adjoint of B into adjoint of A.
into adjoint A.
Adjoint of A transpose is equal to adjoint A whole transpose.
Adjoint of A transpose equal to adjoint A whole transpose. Disturbance from somebody's end. Please take care, man. कौन है वो?
The video gone.
sir, video is off, sir.
The video is off, sir.
It off.
$11.
The video is off.
Sir, we
The
can't
video
see you,
is off,
sir.
sir.
Pardon me.
Video is
Yes,
off,
Can't
sir.
sir.
see you.
Now is it clear?
Sir. Yes.
Okay, now
Sir.
okay.
I was just seeing how many are there. I inverse is I. I think A भी बोल सकते हैं शायद ना. 10 dash adjoint of I is I only. I inverse is I. Next. बोलो man. A inverse whole
Whole
inverse.
inverse.
A transpose whole inverse.
A inverse whole inverse is A. और क्या था? A
A
transpose
transpose.
versus A inverse whole transpose.
AB whole inverse.
AB whole inverse is B inverse A inverse. तो बाकी का is not right. I think then done no और कुछ रह गए.
Adjoint A power M equal to adjoint A whole power M.
Okay, ये वाला भूल गया. Then adjoint of K is K power n minus 1 into adjoint A. Correct है?
Yes, sir.
Adjoint of क्या बोला था वो? Adjoint of A whole power n. N is a natural number. I think done now.
Yes, sir.
Sir, ABC whole inverse. Sir, ABC whole inverse.
Same as OB whole inverse no man. We can leave it. No. Write this man. A previous mains question. A is equal to there is no technique, there is no method. You should find out A square multiply by 3 add 12A. Come on, start. Shall I? Tell me what is a square, man?
16 minus 9 minus 12, 13.
12, 13.
2 minus 3 minus 4, 1 into 2 minus 3 minus 4, 1. बच्चे लोग बोलो क्या आएगा a square?
What?
4 plus 12, 16
That's
आएगा
16
ना?
minus 9 minus 12, 13.
Minus 9
Minus 12, 13.
minus 8 minus 4 minus 12 13. What is 3a square plus 12a? What is 3a square?
48 minus 27 minus 36, 39.
Somebody please mute your end. Forty-eight,
Minus 27
57,
minus 36, 39.
plus what is 12a?
24
24
minus 36 minus 48 and 12.
$72 minus 60.
24 plus 48.
72.
Minus 63.
Bolo.
Minus 84.
Yes.
51.
इसका adjoint
51. 63.
ADJ is 51, 63,
63,
84.
72.
Previous JEE mains question. Adnan correct है?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Question? बोलो. I'm waiting.
Sir, the matrix is 51, 84, 63, and 72. No?
These two are interchanged, man. These two are multiplied by minus sign. क्या है जी ये? Even this one you will forget, man. What's the transpose? Huh? What's the adjoint?
A minus B.
B,
B
A.
minus B, C, A.
Minus B minus C. That's what I wrote, no?
Sir, but it is D minus C minus B, A, right?
These two are interchanged. These two are multiplied. When a minus sign. That only, no? Your name? Your name?
Muhyiddin.
Mohyuddin, that only, no?
No, sir, in the starting we also interchanged the second and the first term of the second row.
No, man. We never. Check. If at all I have done, I am wrong. But I never did. as far as my memory goes. This is the definition of adjoint. Man. Interchange these two, multiply these two by minus sign. That's the definition of adjoint. That's what I have been doing. That's what I'm supposed to do. If I did anything other than this, then I'm wrong. I accept. But my memory goes, I never did.
Okay.
Can I move?
Yes, sir.
Next. Pay attention. I'll tell you a nice simple method. I will do the first part, the second part आपका जिम्मा. First part I will do, second part आपका जिम्मा. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is AU1 plus AU2?
110.
शून्य प्लस शून्य एक शून्य एक शून्य शून्य प्लस शून्य एक शून्य क्या देगा
एक शून्य.
एक शून्य करेक्ट बच्चे लोग I'm moving
Yes,
ahead.
sir.
I'm moving ahead. Left hand side, what I can take common? What remains?
U1 plus U2.
U2. एक एक शून्य. Now, can you tell me what to do? Can you tell me what to do?
A inverse.
Find the inverse of A.
Multiply by A inverse on the left hand side. A inverse A into U1 plus U2. A inverse I am multiplying on left hand side. A inverse into एक शून्य. What is A inverse A? A inverse A. I into U1 plus U2 is equal to A inverse into एक शून्य. बच्चे लोग, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, answer yes. Therefore, what am I interested? I into any matrix. I into any matrix will give you matrix. Therefore, what is your U1 plus U2? A inverse into 1, 1, 0. So what you should find out? A inverse. What is dead A? What is dead A?
1.
1.
Upper triangular matrix 1. First of all, cofactor matrix of A. 1 cofactor plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Come on. Give me the adjoint. I will not fill these gaps also. Directly give me adjoint first.
1 0 0 minus 2 1 0 1 minus 2 1. Done, sir.
Solomon, what is adjoint of A?
1 minus 2 1
1.
0 1 minus 2 0 0 1.
फिर से बोलो फर्स्ट रो
1 minus 2 1.
Sir, 100.
Sir, 100 it is for column.
Sir,
Yes sir.
adjoint.
Adjoint is 100 sir.
I'm directly asking adjoint amen. I did not
Sir,
ask co-factor matrix of A. I'm asking adjoint of A. बोलो correct बोलो जी. First row
100.
100.
second row
Minus
2
2
1 0.
minus 2
1 0.
0.
third
1
row
minus 2
1
1.
minus 2 1.
1
Minus 2 1.
all of you, do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whole class agree with it?
Yes, sir.
Good. So what anyhow that is 1. So A inverse will be adjoint A only. So what is U1 plus U2? एक शून्य शून्य minus 2 एक शून्य एक minus 2 एक multiplied by एक एक शून्य row with the column. Remember how many rows? 3 rows, 3 columns. 3 rows, 1 column. Resulting matrix. 3 rows, 1 column. First row with the first column. What does it gives you, man? Multiply these two and tell me.
1.
1
Second row with
Minus
the
1.
minus
Minus
1.
1.
Third row with the first column.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus. That is the answer. No. बच्चे लोग, वो बच्चे लोग, it is 75 questions. How many minutes? 180 minutes. Okay. How much time for each problem? बोलो मैम. 75 into 2 or 2.5 minutes per problem. Look at the length of the problem. The most important thing for any competitive exam, mains, advanced, bits, MAB. MAB stands for mains, advanced, bits. Main thing for any competitive exam is speed, speed, speed. And your speed should not kill accuracy. ये speed कहां से आएगा? Run for 100 kilometers every day, you will get speed. That is not the case. When you will get this
Practice.
speed, when you will get the speed, how you get the speed? Practice, practice, practice. And I'm telling you, 1.5 hour my class, 2.5 hours working from your side. Every day you should work out not less than minimum 50 problems in maths. हर रोज 50 problem maths के solve करो. Success will be at your feet. I'm telling you. If you look at 2020 JEE advanced paper, too early for you. I asked your seniors to download and look at the paper. I did not tell you that because number of chapters we covered are very few. You cannot solve it. 54 questions. You should look at the length of the problems. Some problems, the other day I solved in seniors class some problems, or we discussed the paper also. It took me 2 full boards. This corner to this corner I wrote, I cleared. Then again I solved. 2 boards it took. How many problems, man? 54 problems, 180 minutes. How much time per problem? Hardly 3.5 minutes. Yeah, 2.5. Yeah, 3.5. 3.5 minutes per problem. 2 full boards it took. What does student requires? Student requires a skill. Student requires speed. Skill and speed. Skill and speed are two most important factors for any student success in competitive exams. You should have skill, should have speed. I have skill, but I am slow. You are gone. I have speed, but I make too many mistakes. Gone. I have skill, I have speed. You will succeed. Some students ask me while solving problems, sir, this problem is so lengthy. Are such problems asked in the exam? My answer is you cannot say. He gives sometimes. Purposefully he gives because he wants to waste students' time. Finished one?
Yes, sir.
One more call. 2018 mains.
Sir, A equal to -4, B equal to 5.
Yes, sir. A equal to -4 and B equals 5.
Yeah. Answer man.
A equals
Sir,
minus
A
5
equal
and B
to
equals
minus 4,
4.
B equal to 4.
Sir, B equals 5 and
5.
A equals minus 4.
Yes, sir.
A is equal to
Minus
Minus
4.
4.
A is equal to -4. B is equals to 5 is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
2018 JEE mains question exact mains exam question. कुछ रो कॉलम ऑपरेशंस अप्लाई कर सकते हैं?
Yes, sir.
Sir, adding all the
Row 1
columns.
and row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3.
Adding rows or columns, I think both will do the job, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Both will do the job.
Row 1 I'll replace by row 1 plus row 2 plus row 3. What will I get, man? 4x plus x, 5x minus 4. This 5x minus 4 I'll take common from row 1.
First row,
What is my row 1?
1, 1, 1.
2x. 2x. मैंने बोला था कॉलम में वंस रो ऑपरेशंस क्या करेंगे? कॉलम 2 रिप्लेस बाय
Column 2 minus column.
कॉलम 3 रिप्लेस बाय
Column 3 minus column.
5x minus 4 into 1 2x 2x subtract what will I get? 0. X minus 4 minus 2x, what does it
Minus
give?
x minus 4.
Minus 4.
Yes, sir.
X रहता ना?
Sir, column 2
minus
minus
x
column 1,
minus
sir.
4
Sir, column 2 minus column 1. So minus x minus 4.
minus x minus 4
Minus x minus 4 0. इधर क्या आता? 0.
0. Minus x minus 4.
What will I get, man?
By x minus 4 into x plus 4 whole square.
This into this. So this is minus 4 plus 5x, x minus of minus 4 whole square. So a value minus 4, b value
5.
please let me know once you are done.
Done, sir.
Look here. Let this 0 stands for null matrix. Can I clear this off?
Sir. Sir, it is non-scalar matrix.
Non-singular matrix. Whenever non-scalar matrix, ऐसा नाम कभी बोला मैं? They are doing matrices from 3 weeks. Did you ever hear the word called non-scalar matrix, man?
No, sir.
Since, look here, A is non-singular matrix implies what? Det A not equal to 0 implies what? A inverse exists. Remember, for inverse of a matrix to exist, for inverse of a matrix to exist, for inverse of a matrix to exist, matrix has to be non-singular matrix.
That A should be not equal to 0.
Oh. Multiply by
A
inverse root. What do you obtain? A inverse into A inverse into A inverse into A inverse into एक ये निकाल के इधर दे दो. What does it becomes? Direct
I
A inverse A. What remains? 5A. 7 A inverse A. 4 A inverse I. Null matrix. What is A inverse A?
I.
I. So I into 5A. बोलो. 7 into I. बोलो. A inverse into I. A.
inverse.
So what is 4A inverse? बोलो man. I into 5A is 5A. बोलो.
7I minus 5A.
5A. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
बच्चे लोग am I correct? Okay now.
Sir.
What is your A inverse is equals to? What is your A inverse equal to? Minus 5 by 4 minus 5 by 4A plus 7 by 4I. Same problem. 2018 JEE mains question. दो हजार अठारह जेईई मेंस क्वेश्चन.
Sir, answer is 8.
क्या बोले?
Alpha plus beta equal to 8.
ऑप्शंस में तो है। correct? बच्चों लोग आंसर वेट कर रहा हूं मैं। Should I do it?
8 sir answer.
8 sir.
What, sir?
सब
8.
लोग everybody
Eight.
agree with this?
Yes sir.
अरे आवाज ही नहीं दे रहा कोई लोग।
Sir answer
वेट
is
कर रहा
8.
हूं।
Done, sir.
Done?
Sir, got, sir.
Yes sir. Got.
Answer is 8, sir.
I'm waiting for approval for everybody, from everybody. I'm doing, क्या करता हूँ फिर? A square, हाँ, correct है?
Yes, sir. Inverse, A inverse.
A inverse into null matrix, correct है?
Yes, sir. AI.
So this is A, अब AI लिखूं, ये लिख
Yes,
दूं मैं,
sir. Direct, you right, sir.
minus 8i, correct है? Plus correct है?
Yes, sir.
8i
Minus,
8i
minus
A
A.
plus 15 A inverse, correct है ना?
Yes, sir.
Who is this new voice? Yes, sir. कौन है वो? Divide by 2. What is 4i? Half A, 15 by 2A. So what are your alpha and beta? बच्चों लोग alpha, बच्चों लोग alpha, बच्चों लोग beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to 8. Hello? Do you remember this symbol? Step function.
Step.
Step function. What is step of 7 by 2?
3.3.
Step of 20 by 3.
6.
Remember, 7 by 2 is 3.5. Step 3.53. 20 by 3, 6 point something. Step value 6. Come on. Start solving this again. Previous JEE advanced question is an advanced exam question. JEE advanced exam question. Can you clear this off? Below part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बच्चों लोग सेकंड वन क्या है? सेकंड इज a skew symmetric matrix of odd order. What is dead value?
0.
0.
Sir, step of k equal to 5.
मैच करना कर रहा
Sir,
हूं
5.
Friedman. Look here, man. What is determinant of adjoint A plus determinant of adjoint B is equal to 10 power 6. Here, what is determinant of B? Follow. Determinant of B 0. Why? Since B is an skew symmetric matrix of order, what order man? 3 cross 3. What is determinant of adjoint A? It's a 3 cross 3 matrix. बच्चों लोग 3 cross 3 matrix. What's the formula? Determinant of adjoint A. Det A whole power.
Get a whole
Det
square.
A whole power n minus 1. N here is 3. 3 minus 1 2. So what will I get? Det A whole square. Det B whole square. Det B is 0. So det A whole square is 10 power 6. हमको क्या पता करना है? हमको क्या पता करना है? हमको det A पता करना है. What is det A? Add these two, man. That's the only thing you can do where you can get 0. What will I get? 2k minus 1. Any more simplifications? Any more simplifications? What I have done? What I have done? R2 replaced by. और कुछ कर सकते हैं?
C3 minus C2.
Add these two, man. Add these two. This will become 0. C3 replaced by. What will I get? 2k minus 1 0 minus 2 root k. बोलो मन. 2 root k 1 plus 2k 2k. You are adding these two. You are adding these two. You are adding these two. Expand the determinant now, come on. Expand the determinant now, come on. Tell me what does it gives you? All of you. Expand fast.
Sir,
Follow.
in the question he asked determinant of adjoint A, no sir. Then why are you finding determinant of this?
अब मैं क्या बोलूं जी? What is determinant of adjoint A? मैंने सर फार्मूला भी लिखा हुआ ना. What is determinant of adjoint A? Today,
Yes, sir, yes,
yesterday
sir.
I proved.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday I proved. Today's beginning of the class formula list. Third formula या second formula है देखो जी.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
इसको expand करो क्या आएगा? टू के minus 1 into 2k plus 1 minus 0. बोलो जी. Minus 2 root k into 0 0. correct है?
Sir, if we expand by row 2.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's
So it's
awesome.
easy, sir.
If I expand by row 2, what will I get? 1 plus 2k into
2k minus 1 whole square.
minus this into this. What is this into this?
2k minus 1 whole square.
Minus product of these two, how much one?
Minus 8k.
Plus 8k, no?
Yes, sir. Plus 8k.
What is this?
4k square plus 1 plus 4k will get, sir.
4k square. What is this? What is this? Totally. Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir.
So what do we have? I should substitute in this. What is your delta value? 2k plus 1 whole cube, whole square, whole cube, whole square, 2k plus 1 whole power 6 is equal to. Am I correct? Am I correct? What will I get? 2k plus 1 is equals to 10. 2k is equal to 9. K is equal to 9 by 2. 9 by 2 means what? 4.5.
4.
हम क्या ले रहे हैं?
Step.
What is step of K?
Sir, I didn't understand why did you square it, sir.
I don't understand.
Why did you square it? 2k
I
plus
have
1
no
whole cube.
time and I have nothing to do. Whatever problem I come across, I will square, cube,
Just
I will do whatever I want. because it is my will and wish. It is my class. Mera class, meri marzi. What man? It is dead day whole square man. Dead day is 2k plus 1 whole cube. That's why I squared. Look at the board. Look at the problem. Why did you square? मेरे को कोई काम धंधा नहीं है, जो भी प्रॉब्लम मिला उसको स्क्वायर करते जाऊंगा. अबराज जी समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Look at the board man. I told it's a square here, so I squared.
Yes, sir, got it.
Previous JEE advanced question. Problem looks lengthy when it is explained on the board by a teacher, but when it is solved by a student, as soon as a student looks at matrix B, student का दिमाग में bulb जलना. What should student say? Determinant B is 0, therefore this term is 0. It is only data expansion. Can I proceed? Let me know once you are done.
Done, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Now we move on to the last part of matrices and determinants, namely system of equations. Equations are of two types. One homogeneous, another one non-homogeneous. What is homogeneous? What is non-homogeneous? A genus which is homo is called homogeneous. A genus which is non-homo is called non-homogeneous. ऐसा है definition? एकदम बढ़िया. बोलो जी. Two types. Homogeneous, non-homogeneous. I asked a question. I am waiting for an answer. क्या कर रहे हैं? Abrar,
Yes, sir.
I am not asking whether Abrar is present in the class or not. Answer or not. Look here. It's a property of homogeneous. Look here. X square function of x and y. How many variables involved? 2 variables. X ka power 2, x ka power 1, y ka power 1, 1 plus 1, 2, y ka power 2. Is the degree same throughout?
Yes.
This is an homogeneous equation. What is non-homogeneous? What's the degree?
3,
Degree.
2,
Whenever 2, please. Degree 3. Degree 2.
2,
Degree 3. Degree 0. Because k into x power 0, y power 0. Degree 0. Degree unequal here. Degree same here. We restrict ourselves to linear equations. What do you mean by linear equation? Degree will be 1. Look here. Homogeneous and non-homogeneous. In fact, degree same. Homogeneous, they always what do you mean by pass through origin? Do not pass through origin. Origin satisfies them. Can you give me examples? Does it satisfy 0, 0?
Yes.
Does it satisfy 0, 0, 0? This is 2D. This is 3D. Homogeneous. Degree 1, degree 1, degree 1, degree 1, degree 1. It's a function in 2 variables. This is a function in 3 variables. Function in 2 variables. Function in 3 variables. Origin here is 0, 0. Origin here is 0, 0, 0. Now come to non-homogeneous equations, not passing to origin. Wallah. Degree.
1.
Degree.
1.
Degree.
1.
Degree.
0.
0. Degree.
1.
Degree.
1.
Degree.
1.
Degree.
0.
0.
So non-homogeneous equation, homogeneous. We discuss in matrices on linear equations on a degree 1. Or Ricardo. What do you mean by trivial, non-trivial? Hello, don't write. It will be there on the board. Copy later. Pay attention, man. Look at. Don't. I will sit like this. Tell me, what is the meaning of trivial and non-trivial? गाड़ी अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा जी. गाड़ी निकाल देना. हाँ बोलो. English meaning trivial, non-trivial. You're all from English medium schools. Tell the meaning, man. Trivial, obvious. Non-trivial, non-obvious. Say yes, no, thank you. कुछ बोलो जी.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Trivial, trivial means something obvious. Non-trivial, something which is non-obvious.
Okay.
Solutions are of two kinds. Solutions are of two kinds. One trivial solution, one non-trivial solution. Trivial solution means obvious solution. Non-trivial solution, non-obvious solution. Details, discussion on this tomorrow. Copy this first.
Sir.
Yeah, somebody was telling, sir, tell me, I'm here listening. Go on.
Sir, under non-homogeneous, sir, you wrote 2x minus 5y plus 7 is equal to 0.
Okay.
Because the degree of x in that term is 0, no, sir?
X का power 1 है ना जी.
Sir, in scalar term I'm saying 7.
This is degree 1, degree 1, degree 0.
Sir, then in this under homogeneous 2x plus 3y is equal to 0 I wrote now, sir. Then if you consider 0 also as a term, scalar term, then
How do you consider 0 as a term, man?
sir, like scalar term, like you are considering 7.
Please. You don't redefine maths. Please, don't redefine maths.
Okay, sir.
Any doubts? Any questions on this?
Nothing, sir.
Now,
No doubt, sir.
pay attention. 8 seconds. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Somebody mute your mic, disturbance from your end. 8 seconds. Look here. Is 0, 0 a solution?
Yes.
This 0, 0 is called trivial solution or zero solution. What are the non-trivial solutions? How many such non-trivial solutions I have?
Infinite.
This solution is called zero solution or trivial solution. And these solutions are called non-trivial solutions. We are in which plane? 2 dimensions. Minus eka. Hello. If all the 3 are zeros, then only it is a trivial solution or zero solution. One of them can be 0. 2 of them can be 0. But 2 of them 0, third one has to be 0. No other chance. Therefore, only one can be 0. Tell me one more. 2 minus 3.
2. 1.
Even this will be wrong, man.
1, 1, 0.
Correct?
Sir,
Yes,
1
sir.
plus 1 minus 2.
1 minus 1 minus 2.
Okay, sir.
No?
Correct, sir.
Is also correct. All these solutions are non-trivial solutions. 0, 0, 0 is trivial solution. Any details discussion on this in the next class tomorrow. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
जरा प्रैक्टिस करो, प्रॉब्लम्स करो, टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना.